Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I am here with a new lesson, that is good living. In this lesson, we are going to learn how you should behave in a society, okay, and what are the basic etiquettes you must follow to be a good neighbor. So, let's get started. India is a country of great diversity. We all live together in peace. We call this unity in diversity. So, what is unity in diversity, children? India is a very large country, isn't it? And different people live here. They eat different food, they wear different kinds of clothes, but all together we live together in a peace. हम सब शांति में रहते, isn't it? So that is called as the unity in diversity. सब अलग अलग रहने के बाद भी हम सब मिलकर रहते हैं. That is called as the unity in diversity. This is good living and it begins at home and in the neighbor. So we all live together in peace, isn't it? And this is a good living, to be in a peace. So first it begins from our home itself, okay? So first it begins at home and in the neighborhood. How you should behave in the neighborhood? Let us visit two neighborhoods and see what is happening. So first neighborhood is the shady apartment, okay? So look at the picture here. Look at this floor. This boy is listening the loud music, okay? So by this, the down apartment people, they are old and they are getting disturbed. What they are telling? When will this loud noise stop? So they are fed up of this loud noise. So this is a bad habit, children, isn't it? If you listen music loudly, it will disturb the neighbors who are sleeping or the old person, isn't it? So in this way, he is irritating the down apartment people, okay? Next, this boy is watering the plants by using a pipe. So what he is doing, he is using the pipe, and whatever the water he is pouring, it's falling down in the next apartment, okay? So this lady is telling that stop it, my clothes are getting wet. So this boy is answering to that lady that go hang your clothes somewhere else. So this is a bad, isn't it, bad thing. If you have to water the plants, then you have to use bucket and mug, right? Do not use this type of pipes. Why? Because the pressure will be very high and the water may fall down in the next apartment, isn't it? So in this way, this boy was disturbing the lady, and in this way this lady's clothes were getting wet, okay? Next, what is this crash? What happened here? The window's glass broken. How? Don't worry, no one is home. Run. So these boys, they are playing cricket down, and what they did, instead of going to the park and playing, what they did, they were playing near the society and they crashed the window. And after crashing, what they did, they said no one is home, come on, run. So these are bad boys, isn't it? What you must do, children, you should not play in the places where you can hurt the others, okay? You should instead go to the park. Next, these two men are talking to each other. What this man is telling, our building looks so dirty, we need to get it painted. So look at the building, it's so ugly. So by looking at the building, he said that we need to get the building painted. So what this man answered, he said that no need at all, who will pay for it? So he is telling that no need of painting, who will pay for that? I am not having money, he was telling in that way, he was answering that. So all these are what, children, these are the bad habits, isn't it? In this neighborhood, everyone are so bad, they are treating each other in a wrong way, isn't it? You should not do like this. This is a bad apartment. I mean to say is, the people living in this apartment are not good to each other. They are not taking care of each other, isn't it? Even they are not taking care of the building. Now let's see the next neighborhood, that is shiny shelter. Look how nice they are. The first one is telling such nice people upstairs. So this old man replied that yes, they are very polite. Why they are telling they are very polite? Why? Because they never play loud music, and whenever they talk in a low voice so that others may not get disturbed by them. That's why these two Old people appreciated them that such nice people are living upstairs. Okay. Next, what this boy is telling? Thank you. I hope the clothes are not getting wet. What this lady is telling? Your plants look beautiful. So this boy is watering the plant by using the mug. Okay, by using the bucket and the mug, and he's telling in a polite way that thank you. I hope that your clothes are not getting wet by my water. This lady answered that your plants look so beautiful. So they both are talking politely to each other and they are not irritating each other, isn't it? He is making sure that the lady who is drying up the clothes down should not get disturbed by my watering, isn't it? Next, it's time for your medicines, grandpa. So here, children, instead of doing the bad activities, this child is taking care of her grandfather. Okay, grandpa. She is taking care of her grandfather by giving the medicines on time, isn't it? So instead of wasting the time here and there, you should take care of your grandparents at your home, right? Next, yes, we all our building will get painted soon. Yes, we all have contributed to give our place a fresh look. So here two men are talking to each other and this man said that our building will get painted soon. So this man answered that yes, we all have contributed. It means that all have given the money to paint the building again. Okay. So in this apartment everyone are very understanding, isn't it? They care each other a lot, and also they are taking care of the building, isn't it? Next, come, let us go to the playground nearby. So this boy answered, yes, let's go. So these children, instead of playing near the society, what they thought near the neighborhood, they thought of going to the park and play, isn't it? Isn't it a good thing, children? So the people living in the shiny apartment, shiny shelter, are the good people. They are very understanding. They take care of each other and they do not disturb by their activities to others, right? So by comparing these two apartments, what we came to know, that we should not disturb others by our activities, isn't it? Whatever you do, you make sure that by your activity the others won't get disturbed. Okay. And also you have to maintain the society around you. You have to maintain the neighborhood by making it clean. Okay. Now let's have a glance over this activity. Read the statements below. Tick the ones which you think make you a good neighbor and cross out the ones that make you a bad neighbor. So you have to tick the ones that make you good neighbor and you have to cross the one that makes you a bad neighbor. Okay. First one is keep the area around your house clean. Of course, you have to keep the area around your house very clean. You have to maintain it. So answer is right. Next, greet the neighbors. Greeting means what? Wishing them. Assalamu alaikum, namaste and all. So whenever you see anyone in your neighbor, you have to greet them. So it's a it's a good habit, right? So this makes you a good neighbor. Next, litter on the streets. Littering on streets means throwing the waste materials here and there. So by this what will happen? Your surroundings will not be clean. So that's a bad habit and that make you a bad neighbor. So answer is cross here. Throw water out of the window without checking to see if there's anyone outside. So our answer is wrong. This will make you a bad neighbor. Before throwing the water, you should make sure that no one is outside. Okay. Next, steal fruits from the neighbor's tree. This is also a bad habit, isn't it? If you do this, then you are not a good neighbor. You should not steal anything. Stealing is a bad habit, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will also punish this act. Okay. Next, write on cars and walls. Writing on cars and walls make it very ugly. So in this way you are not a good neighbor, right? So answer is cross here. Help visitors who are looking for a particular address. So whoever visit to your neighborhood, if they ask the address, you should help them. You should not walk away just like that. Okay, children, you should always be ready to help others. So these are the basic etiquettes you must have to live in a society or in the neighborhood. Okay, we are Indians, we should be very caring and loving to each other. Okay, Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our 17th lesson. We'll catch up in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.